The 2025 Ford Taurus is here, bringing a bold new look, advanced technology, and an upgraded driving experience. This stylish sedan stands out with its sleek exterior, high-tech interior, powerful performance, top-tier safety features, and competitive pricing. Let's dive into everything that makes it a compelling choice. The exterior of the 2025 Ford Taurus is designed to impress, featuring a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances aerodynamics. Sleek lines, chrome accents, and a sloping roofline give it a premium and sporty look, while stylish alloy wheels complete its confident stance. Stepping inside, the interior is where the Taurus truly shines. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and leather upholstery create a luxurious feel. The spacious cabin ensures comfort for both front and rear passengers, while the massive infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest SYNC system provides seamless connectivity, voice commands, and navigation. A digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof add to the modern and upscale experience. Under the hood, the performance of the 2025 Ford Taurus is powered by a turbocharged 2.0L EcoBoost engine producing around 250 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth acceleration. The well-balanced suspension and responsive handling make it a joy to drive, whether cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city streets. Selectable drive modes allow for a customized driving experience, adjusting performance based on driving conditions. When it comes to safety features, Ford has equipped the Taurus with an advanced suite of driver assistance technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system ensure maximum safety and peace of mind. What makes the 2025 Ford Taurus truly special are its unique selling points, a stylish design, high-tech cabin, and an impressive mix of comfort and performance at a competitive price. Unlike some rivals, it provides a perfect balance of luxury and practicality, making it an excellent choice for sedan lovers. The price starts at an estimated $32,000, with fully loaded trims reaching around $40,000, offering great value for money. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Taurus continues to be a strong contender in the sedan segment, delivering a premium experience without breaking the bank. What are your thoughts on the new Taurus? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. See you in the next one.